you've found the really bad stuff, you've hopefully helped to level out some of the not so bad stuff, and you've gone and identified your bad actors, so hopefully they won't be bad in the future. So once you've done all that, what does the overall future look like for you? Well, that's where this page shows us our total planned demand and our total capacity. The black line is the capacity. The stacked bars are the components of that demand. In the past, it's showing you the actual timesheets. In the future, it's showing you the composition of the demand. So the sky blue color is full-time employees. The maroon color, that is what we call flow work. We have certain customers we have contracts with, and the work just comes in. It's generally small jobs, a few weeks, a few hundred person hours of drafting and design work, and it just constantly hits us. But we don't create project numbers in our ERP system until we get another signed agreement for another work scope. So we can't predict it by project because we don't know what the projects are until the work hits us. But it hits us like clockwork. It always does. So we created a category called flow, where we forecast the demand in the flow projects. And you see that it looks almost the same every month, the maroon band, because it's going to hit us. We know it's coming. Okay. Then we have the jobs that we are bidding on, but have not yet won. Okay, I just got ahead of myself. Sorry. The dark blue is role demand. We call it virtual demand because it's work that needs to be done, but we don't have a specific named person assigned to it. Sometimes this is work we already have in the backlog, we have committed contracts for, but we have work assigned, we just don't have a name to put to it. Sometimes it's stuff that we are bidding on, which we call tenders. And that is, if we win this job, we will need so many types of hours for so many different skills. So the dark blue is the virtual work, the role demand, if you will, on the projects we already have in-house. And the orange is the high probability tenders that we are hoping to win. So as I was saying earlier, that if you need to have, or resource management needs to give you a proactive look, not only what do you need today, but what are you going to need 3, 6, 9, 12 months from now? That's what this chart does, because as we plan out the demand for our stuff we're bidding on, if we win it, then we can see that we have a certain amount. Like, just look at September, we have 253 human beings worth of work for stuff we are bidding on. If we win it all, wow, we're going to be well over our capacity, which is sitting at right about 2163. So we will be about 90 people short. Will those 90 people have rolled off other projects in the past? Don't know. We have to get into the details to see that. Or do we need to put HR in super high gear to go out and try and find us some more people, hoping that we win those? And of those, how many are we really going to win? All? Half? Now you have to work with your commercial operations and your sales team to figure out the real probability that you actually are going to need those 90 people. But at least you have a bottoms-up estimate of all this, so you're not just plucking numbers out of the sky saying, yeah, I need 90 people. Well, okay, I need 90 people because on this project, we have this percentage of winning and we need this many software engineers and this many quality testers, etc. You've got that bottoms-up resource plan in clarity to justify your business, your hiring decisions. Because just about every company I've ever been at, whenever somebody goes and says, I need 10 new people, the inevitable response is, yeah, prove it. Here you have the proof. You have the bottoms-up demand built from individual estimates on individual projects showing what justifies that request for 10 new people.